An embarrassed business owner is a bad business owner. If you've been in business more than a year and you are still getting embarrassed when someone tells you that your services could be better or that your social media is not peak, then you shouldn't be in business, because businesses grow based off of critique. Businesses scale based on learning the likes and dislikes of their audience and their customer base. You do not grow by doing things your way and saying that no one else's opinion matters. If you are too embarrassed or arrogant to ask a few questions, to take a useful criticism, then you shouldn't be doing business. Your website may be ugly. Your social media content may be pointless and repetitive. Your Google reviews may mostly be negative, and it's probably because not your service is bad, but because you don't respond to the people who have one bad like interaction. You can always reach back out to those people who leave a Google review. If someone felt like, then you need to actively be reaching out to and engaging these people to see what you did wrong, what you could be doing better, and how you could fix it. There's a system that can automate that entire process. Not even going to talk about that, but there is a system that can do that for you. You don't even have to reach out to these people on your own. You can have an entire system that automates the process of filtering through your negative comments and either replying or sending them to you or whoever you delegated the engagement of your community to, so that they can correct that negative 2-star review and turn it into a 3 or 5-star review. Just because you responded with a "I'm sorry, here's a coupon." Sometimes it's literally that simple. I want business owners to be better and to stop being embarrassed, to stop being arrogant, because the business you came up with that got you in front of these people, that got them paying you, that is not the end all be all. If you want to be a hole in the wall restaurant, if you want to be a so automotive like mechanic shop, if you want to be a dental office that only gets 10 clients a week, cool, that's perfectly fine, because you can be that. But if you want to be more, then you need to engage your audience. You need to be less embarrassed about the bad things that happen in your business, and you need to be more honest with yourself and the people you work with, and find new ways to grow your business, new ways to optimize and engage your audience, systems that you can put in place to make these things easy. And if you want to learn more about that, comment down below or in my description, you'll find a link. Regardless, you have a beautiful day. My name is Derek, your digital architect, and this is Click Creative Studio. I'll talk to you later.